In this video, we'll review how to use cash flow maps in RightCapital. Cash flow maps can be found within the retirement cash flow section of each and every client plan. This area provides simple, intuitive visuals to help clients better understand their cash inflows and cash outflows each year. The values displayed here are identical to those found in the Summary tab, but for clients who may have difficulty reading and understanding a more traditional cash flow table, maps can be a useful visual aid in demonstrating where their money is coming from and where it's going each year. Unlike the Summary table, maps focuses in on one cash flow year at a time. You can use the timeline above the chart to select a specific calendar year or client age to zero in on. A tooltip will appear to help you easily identify the year that each client retires. The first cash flow map is the waterfall. This is a Sankey-style flowchart displaying the total inflows and outflows for each year. Each inflow and outflow is proportional in size to the dollar value of that item to help clients visualize the magnitude of each item's impact. You can identify any cash flow deficits or cash flow excess at the bottom of the chart. The second cash flow map is the breakdown. You can switch from the waterfall to the breakdown by clicking the toggle arrow next to the name of each chart. The breakdown highlights the same values and information as the waterfall, using a chart layout that's a bit more in line with the other visuals in RightCapital. This chart combines visual simplicity with dynamic granularity, allowing you to click into individual tiles to zoom in for more detailed cash flow data. For more information on cash flow maps in RightCapital, please feel free to take a look at our Help Center or to reach out to our advisor support team for more details.